Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, given a triangle ABC in which angle B equals to 90 degree and AB equals to root 3 BC, prove that angle C equals to 60 degree. Now, firstly, draw a median BD. This is ABC. Draw a median BD to AC from point B. We have given that AB equals to root 3 BC. Draw a median BD to AC from point B. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, as angle B equals to 90 degree, so AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, as AB equals to root 3 BC. So it is root 3 BC square plus BC square. So it is 4 BC square. So AC is, after taking the square root on both the sides, AC will be 2 BC. Now, BD equals to 1/2 AC, that is 1/2 2 times BC. So it is BD equals to BC. But D being a midpoint of hypotenuse AB, so it is equidistant from all the vertices. That is, therefore, BD equals to CD equals to DA, or BD equals to 1/2 BD equals to 1/2 AC, suppose equals to BC. Thus, BC equals to BD equals to CD. Therefore, triangle BDC is an equilateral triangle. Hence, angle C is 60 degree.